Listen, the bones still talking, the night still remember. Keaulumoku and chant the future. The guys who ain't listen, the aliʻi know. Follow the cloud sign, red moon rise. One chief gon' huli, the other gon' rise. He never listened to makaula voice. Keōua stay flex, but the gods made choice. Puʻukoholā build with hand and prayer, not just rocks. That one snare. The emu wait, the kūkā stay grin. When the war god hungry, the tide gon' win. We no guess, we read the cloud. Dreams, omens, winds talk loud. Mana not just blood, it breathe, it dade, it flow, and chant, it feed the seed.
Haui ka Lani, hāʻule ka noho aliʻi. Kumai ka hōkū I luna, ke alo o ke ao. Nāna I wānana, Nāna ʻike makaula o kapo.
Aliʻi no just strap up and scrap. They chant name from kupuna stack. From Homea to Wakea, the line stay tight. You gotta earn your mana by chanting it right. You think you get rank cause you get land? Nah, my ancestor from the fire hand. I chant the gods, the po, the iho. You chant for show, I chant for real. Cause prophecy no come from guessing, it come from cleansing, sacrifice, blessing. One cola, see what you know can. One wrong word and boom, your mana gone. Twinkle in the east, star tilt sideways. One chief sleep for good, one hair turn red. Kūkā ʻilimoku laugh. I went feel akua noho when speak through me like rain on taro. I know get chills, the bones when move, the chant when come with rhythm and groove. The haka twist, the eyes roll back, hair pele, hair cool, hair low, no talk back. I speak in Kauna, you better decode. If you slow with the signs, the path explode. Kamehameha, he the one. He ride the prophecy like sun, from baby born with thunder cracks to emu smoke and no one looking back.
Haui ka Lani, ke kui o hāʻule. O ʻike ka mana, o ka moʻi Lana kila. E ola I ka ʻōlelo, ka iko, kūkā paia.
This one know about who most strong. This one about who walk porno, who chant long. The one who listen for the aumakua, who hear the leaf, the bird, the moon, the kua. Keaulumoku stay with us still. Inside the rain, the dream, the will. So chant straight, no fake, no flex. Cause the gods stay watching what you chant next.